Hey everybody, from Costa, I'm down here in front of the United States Post Office, down in the 90731. Just a public service announcement I just wanted to share with everybody. Hey, it's like the day before Christmas Eve, and Monday's coming up, and I'm very blessed. I have a regular post office mailman that comes by my house, and this PSA is give that person a tip, especially if you're in a location, you're an Amazon seller, eBay seller, and they come and pick up your priority mailboxes. Those are my homies. They bring the boxes here, they scan them in. Now, what you know and I know, when you do priority mail, they can come to your where you live, apartment, house, wherever you're at, pick up the boxes as part of their service for free if you're just doing a regular pickup. And some of us, we do quite a bit of business moving product on Amazon and eBay or any other selling platform. So I just want to remind everybody, hey, give a tip. Monday they're open. Monday they're probably going to come by. Have something in the envelope for your mail person. And that's all I want to tell you today. Make sure you tip your mail person for the USPS, United States Postal Service, especially if they're coming to your place of business or home to pick up those packages and deliver them. It saves you a trip. I had to go do a lot of trips to this place. Sending that stuff priority mail, not so much. Like, share, subscribe, comment, mostly share this. Get the word out and put a smile on a postal worker's face tomorrow. I like happy postal workers, don't you? Have a good one.